Hopefully, this video will also be useful for you. To tackle Wi-Fi. Friends who don't connect. Originally my Wi-Fi this fun and cannot connect YA friends. But now you can connect. Guys can see like this. The way I do it, guys. The guys can click. Windows start in E. Then guys click. Power this then. When you want to restart friends. Pressing Shift. Then detained it. While clicking this restart button, so shift it. Held while clicking the restart button at the same time. Here later my friends can see YA. Here there is a text, choose an option, there is continue. Troubleshoot. Turn off your PC. Friends choose that is troubleshoot. YA friend choose troubleshoot YA. Then we troubleshoot. This one, yeah. Then here. Select reset this PC. Here don't. The guys, remove everything YA. Later maybe later if. Can be deleted later friends files if in remote everything. Click keep my files. Will be performing. Please wait for Windows 10 like this. Popping up like this guys. Which guys choose it's this one. Then click the restart button. Next, friends can connect. Wi-Fi friends yes, so that later will be connected. Like this. Later. Wi-Fi friends can connect like this. Second way to solve Wi-Fi. Laptop does not connect YA. The second way is quite easy. Just go to the network. This Wi-Fi. Then right-click. Then select Open Network. An Internet setting. Next. Scroll down. Select Network Reset. Then choose Reset Now. Then later. Yes if in yes. Means it will reset the network. We just yes. Well after it's done. Later guys can restart. It's Windows. Hopefully tutorial this is useful.